Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India this week brought fresh momentum to the country's largest nuclear power project. As he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit, a Russian cargo plane was simultaneously delivering the first batch of nuclear fuel for Unit 3 of the Kudankulam nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu. Putin's promise was clear and confident. Russia will see this flagship project through to completion. When all 6 reactor units become operational, Kudankulam will generate 6,000 megawatts of electricity, making it India's largest power station of any kind. 2 units are already connected to the grid, powering millions of homes across southern India. 4 more are under construction, with Unit 3 now entering its critical pre-commissioning phase. But this project has travelled a long and turbulent road to get here. The story begins in 1988, when Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi and Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev signed an agreement to build 2 nuclear reactors in India. Then the Soviet Union collapsed and the project fell into limbo. The United States raised strong objections, arguing the deal violated Nuclear Suppliers Group guidelines established in 1992. For nearly a decade, Kudankulam was what one Atomic Energy Commission chairman called a non-starter. Construction finally began only in September 2002, 14 years after the original agreement. Today, Kudankulam stands as the only foreign-built nuclear plant actually producing electricity in India. American and French projects remain stalled over pricing and liability disputes. Russia, meanwhile, has delivered on its promises, despite Western sanctions imposed after the Ukraine conflict. The timing of Putin's visit underscores a deeper message. As India pushes towards its net zero emissions goal by 2070, it needs reliable, carbon-free baseload power. Nuclear energy provides that stability when the wind stops blowing and the sun sets. Russia has positioned itself as India's most dependable energy partner, with Putin calling his country a reliable supplier of everything India's development requires. The 2 leaders also discussed expanding cooperation on small modular reactors, compact nuclear units that could revolutionize India's industrial decarbonization strategy. Russia is pitching factory-assembled reactors that could be manufactured in India under the Make in India initiative. For New Delhi, Kudankulam represents more than just electricity. It's a testament to an independent foreign policy that prioritizes energy security over bloc politics. For Moscow, completing the 6-reactor complex demonstrates its ability to deliver on strategic projects, despite Western pressure to isolate Russia economically. As Unit 3 moves towards criticality, in the coming months, the plant will edge closer to its full 6,000 megawatt potential, providing the spinning reserve India's renewable heavy southern grid desperately needs. Putin's promise matters because, unlike others, Russia has actually kept its nuclear commitments to India. With Dibangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.